A very warm welcome to everyone. I am Pranjal Yadav, pursuing my BTech in Civil Engineering from University of Lucknow. I am going to present a seminar on topic carbon capturing artificial tree. This whole seminar was conducted by engineer Jiten Pratap Singh. We are already seeing the effect of climate changes in the form of rising seas, monsters, storms, wildfires, and extreme weather. If we stay on our current path of not reducing carbon emissions enough, things could spiral out of control, leading to irreversible long lasting effect on our planet. But now this scientist and this material may be one answer to the global warming. Carbon capturing artificial tree. Here we will cover the contents like what is carbon capturing artificial tree, why we need carbon capturing artificial tree, why artificial tree over normal trees, what are the advantages and disadvantages along with a case study. Klaus S. Lechner is the man behind the thought. Klaus S. Lechner is the founding director of the Center for Negative Carbon Emissions. He understood that carbon dioxide emissions needed to be decreased within the next few decades to prevent the non reversible effect of climate change. If we humans stopped all the carbon dioxide emissions today, the amount left in the atmosphere would keep temperatures increasing for the next 100 years. Why artificial tree? If we plant 100 million of these trees, the carbon emission gets balanced. And if we plant 200 million trees, negative carbon emission starts. Because so indeed this can be the solution to our carbon emission problem. What is artificial carbon tree? Artificial trees look and feel nothing like real trees. In fact, they resemble cars in sizes and shape. Not only they will absorb carbon dioxide from the air 1,000 times faster than a normal tree, but they will also not release carbon back into the atmosphere like real time trees. They capture the carbon dioxide in the daytime, but they release it back at the night. These trees do nothing like it. Now we will see the basic principle of carbon emissions. The carbon dioxide passes through a dry material that catches the carbon dioxide from the air. After capturing, nearly after 45 minutes to 2 hours, the carbon dioxide binds to that material, that sticky material, that resin. The carbon dioxide binds it to it. After some time, when the it is completed, the water then introduced into a watershed carbon dioxide. The concentrated carbon dioxide is used as a fuel that can be stored underground. The derived waste can be solid or liquid. Solid carbon can be disposed in dumps, and liquid carbon can be used as a fuel after some time. Now we will see the advantages. It can be placed anywhere. It doesn't require soil, so it just requires a space to fit it. It can be placed on ground, on roof, on your backyard, or anywhere, so it is very useful. Maintenance cost is low. It only requires to be rinsed in water and that too after long hours or sometimes after days. We only just rinse the resin in the water and washes it over. It is more than 1000 times effective than a normal tree. It can work in both day and night, unlike normal trees, which captures the carbon only in the daylight during the process of photosynthesis. There is no need to produce organic compound like sugar to feed the trees. We don't require any type of fertilizers which is required by the soil. We also don't require irrigation, so money can be saved here. Now we will see the disadvantages. Yes, it is a little costly, but it is worth it. We know natural trees binds the soil together and prevents the soil erosion. Here it can't be prevented. It is not adequate to successfully deal with the climate changes. It only and only captures the carbon. It does not capture other gases like sulfur dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, and other harmful gases into the atmosphere. Now we will see a case study of the carbon capturing artificial tree. There is a plant installed in plexiglass tower on the campus of Arizona State University in Tempe. There are no leaves and branches, but a yellowish corrugated filter silently pulling the carbon dioxide out of the air. Considering 36 gigaton of carbon emission through human activities, few forests of these trees would keep up with current carbon emissions rate. At present, the manufacturing and installing cost is about $12,000 per tree. Yes, it is like buying a car, but it is worth it. In few years, another company, Global Thermostat, claims that it can cost $100 for 100 ton of carbon capture by them. Now, there are some references which I took. Now, I would like to end my presentation with a beautiful quote. Take care of the earth, and she will take care of you. Thank you.